Molicutes, phytoplasmas. For nearly 70 years after viruses were discovered, many plant diseases were described that showed symptoms of general yellowing or reddening of the plant or of shoots, proliferating and forming structures that resembled witches' brooms. These diseases were thought to be caused by viruses, but no viruses could be found in such plants. In 1967, Doi and colleagues in Japan observed molicutes, i.e., wall-less mycoplasma-like bodies in the phloem of plants exhibiting yellows and witch's broom symptoms. That same year the same group showed that the mycoplasma-like bodies and symptoms disappeared temporarily when the plants were treated with tetracycline antibiotics. Since then, mycoplasma-like organisms, MLOs, that infect plants have been reclassified as phytoplasmas, and some of them that have helical bodies and can be found in other environments besides plants are known as spiroplasmas. Viroids. In 1971, studies of the potato spindle tuber disease showed that it was caused by a small, naked, single-stranded, circular molecule of infectious RNA, which was called a viroid. See later. Viroids have been found to be the cause of several dozen plant diseases. Viroids seem to be the smallest infectious nucleic acid molecules. Although more than 40 viroids have been found to infect plants, no viroids have been found that infect animals or humans. Apparently, however, an even smaller type of infectious agent, called a prion, exists. See later. Prions apparently consist only of a small, approximately 55,000 Daltons protein, which is encoded by a chromosomal gene of the host. Prions have been shown to cause the scrapie disease of sheep, mad cow disease.